Hello croppers, Big Scrappy here. I have another video for the eCraft machine. I've noticed that there's not a whole lot of videos online, so I figured let me make another one as I'm learning. Maybe it can help someone else. This one is using the eCraft Pro software, and I'm making a mini book for someone. And over here in the corner, I don't even know what you call this, but it has shapes. These shapes are included, and they're free. And you just click on the shape you want, and it puts it on. I already started this page that I'm doing, but I just want to show you. Usually when you click on it, it goes up to the top of the screen. So I'm moving this down. You can see some of the ones I made already. I'm just showing you how to basically how you can create these little cutouts. Alright, this shape I chose. You can size it. This is a little different from the other shapes that I created. So I'm going to size this one. Now these lines here that are here, alright, when you click on this it says cutout. You can see here. So these lines will cut out. Okay, now I want to copy this and make another one, but I want to make it smaller to fit inside. So press copy and then paste up here, as you can see up here, and it makes another one. So I'm going to move this one and move this one over and this one up. Okay, I'm moving this one up because this one I want to fit inside this one. This is the one that first one that I did, and this one I had cut line. This one I'm going to make smaller because I want it to fit inside. And this is going to be a draw line. Let's see, put that right in there, and that's going to be, I'm going to click on draw. So this is going to be a draw line. It changes colors. I don't know if you can see it, but it changes purple. That means it's a draw line. So the outside one will cut, and the inside one will just draw. I'm going to just maneuver it around a little bit. Now I want to put some writing in there, and I'm just going to write. I'm going to click on. This is the text. The T is for text. And when you click on that, it gives you the text box, as you can see. And I'm going to put in here name. What happened? Oh, okay. Wait, I don't like that. I'm gonna delete that. And just click the delete button on the computer and it deletes it. Try again. I want to change the font. That's done up here. All the fonts that are on your computer you're able to use to cut with, to draw with, whatever. Those are yours. And they're on your computer already. I think I'll use a script. That's nice. Okay. Choose the text box again. Where did it go? Wait, where did it go? Here it is. And I'm gonna write name. N-A. Alright, what's happening? Of course, when you want something to work, it's not working. Okay. What's happening? I don't know. But it's not going in where I want it to go. Let me see that I move it. Okay. Start again. Maybe that script I can't see. Choose another text. N-A-M-A. You know, I'm really perplexed right now because I don't know what it is that I'm doing wrong. Oh, maybe I'm too at the bottom of the page. Maybe that's why. Well, anyway, I typed all these words in and they did fine. Okay, I'm going to try to cut. So what I did was I made a draw line. I put a cut line inside of the draw line. And then I took the words, like my book, and I typed that in the font that I wanted, and I placed that inside of the draw line box, and I clicked draw. So this can just write my book. It can have the draw line and the border around it, cut out. And that's what I did here, but I don't know why I'm not able to get the text in. Okay, and then I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to click send to. That's that icon. And the box comes up. It says send to the eCraft. Front. I'm clicking front. Okay. Now let me load some paper. I'm holding on to the camera, so I hope not to. I'm hoping not to make you dizzy. I'm gonna load this in straight, not crooked. There's the paper. Move the trolley over to the far left. This paper's kind of thick. I have it on number 7. Go back over to the software, press cut, and that quickly it goes right to the machine. It draws first. First it draws the shapes, which is the inside boxes, and then it draws the words that I chose. That's one of the things that I really like about this machine. You can pick your own shapes and fonts from the computer. You can cut them, you can draw them. So you can make your own. You know, I'm not good at doing a lot of journaling. So my headings and stuff I like to have printed out or whatever, because my handwriting is atrocious. So I thought this was good. It's one of the things that I really like about this machine. And it welds, merges, just like the Cricut software does. It merges the letters. You can merge your letters, make them any size you want. So it's pretty good. And I like the fact that it draws, and you don't have to keep replacing the pen, taking the pen in, putting the pen out. The pen can stay in. You can take it out if you want, but it makes it a lot faster. Oh, why not cut it out? I did some already. I want to show you the ones that I already did. Let's see this. Okay, these are some of the ones over here that I've done. And then you can save the projects after you do them. So if I wanted to use this again, I wouldn't have to. I cut the background out a little bit bigger, which is this basically like the shadow. Okay, let's go back over, see how far we got. It always draws first and then it cuts. So I saved this file as mini book frames, and then the one that I actually used to cut out the shadow, I saved it as mini book frames. This one is mini book frames 1, and that one is mini book frames 2. And I can just change the lettering and the wording inside. So I'm going to save this file because I'll probably use it again. So I just wanted to let you know that the eCraft is really a really nice machine. I really like it. Now it's cutting. No mat. I like no peel and stick. Okay. And there we are. Finished. Now let me just take it out of the machine. And it should pop right out. As you can see, it pops right out. Look at that. Just as clear. And it could do whatever font that you choose. So I thought that was really, I think that's really neat. That's one of the things that I like about this machine. See how it pops right out? And this paper that I'm using is the paper that I purchased from Walmart. Paper pack from Walmart. It's nice cardstock. I'm working with one hand, so bear with me. Pops right out. So you don't need no tools to scrape it off the mat. And close it up. And that's that. So I'm going to save this. Really a good feature, nice feature. And then if I wanted to go to start a new one, I would click on this. It says new project. Actually the size. And then it gives me a whole clean map. And I can just start with a new one. Okay, friends, this thought I'd give you another look at the eCraft. Another video for the eCraft. Like I said, it's a really nice machine. I really like it. And try it. You may like it too. Bye-bye.